Manipurgi irang asina chahi ahum lom fazilaklaba lanjen aduna yum leitabagi miyoi lising humfuromna awaba khangliba asi ushinnadana thamlaga Vande Mataramda hena lumna lauduna Pung tararom Khanna Neinakhibada Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol akoijam Nungnangba Fongdokkhre ngarang parliament ki Lok Sabha da Vande Mataram gi matangda Pung tararom chupna Khanna Neinakhibada saruk yaraduna Dr. Bimol akoijam na hai New Delhi ki pollution laipak asigi thabak fangdabagi matangda civil aviation ki wathok Manipur ki irang asi punna nathaiduna thamlaga Vande Mataram da thawai yauksinduna leire haina BJP gi laingakta maral siki tawriba debate asi national song oiriba asigidi khara khaktanani Lainga ki pandam di BJP ki political ambition ama West Bengal da thamduna mathang chahida pangthok kadaba mikhal gi khudong chaba laure haiki Manipur gi miyoi lising humfurom irang na maram oiraga lanjen aduna lairiba asigi matangda khananaba pung ahum mari pinanaba demand tawrakhibani Manipur gi irang asi laingak na state asida constitutional order thamjinnaba ngamdabadagi Thorakibani, Vande Mataram gi asengba wahanthok asi ekoina constitution asi pairaga wasakpana asengba oigani haiki.
10 hours dedicated discussion on Vande Mataram is what is the purpose of this discussion? Why we are discussing on this? We have been demanding that we should at least have round about 3 to 5 hour discussion on Manipur. Nobody cares. And you think that's a day's bhakti. To deny a legitimate discussion on the present real issues such as the unemployment issues in this country, the pollution or the Manipur crisis, the fact that you still have 65,000 people homeless in Manipur due to this crisis, which was caused by the failure of the government to impose the constitutional order in that state. We don't discuss, and you want to sing Vande Mataram and discuss, and you think that will infuse patriotic feeling in them. That's the first thought that struck me. Jawaharlal Nehru, in his book Discovery of India, he said, who is this Bharat Mata? And he insists Bharat Mata is nothing but you and me. There's millions of people in this country, and when you say victory to Mother India, you mean victory to these people. It is you and me and different speakers, whether it was Karnataka Mata or Manipur Mata or Banga Mata, everybody comes together. And this is coming together is what has created the country that we are familiar with and we represent in this house. Celebrating Vande Mataram is to uphold what we have promised to ourselves in our constitution. And it is in this sense, just as you are able to spend 10 hours of discussion here, I dare the nationalist feeling in you, that devotion in you should demand a discussion on Manipur at least for 3 hours. For heaven's sake, let's discuss Manipur and then we will know what is Vande Mataram means to all of us. Thank you.